this Beko WM62125W. Hello everyone, today we're going to be saying goodbye to this Beko WM62125W washing machine. I've had this machine for nearly 2 years, I think. Yeah, nearly 2 years. And I originally bought it off Facebook as fully working, but as soon as I got it home I realised it didn't fully work. There was something off with the drum, and there still is something off with the drum, and I've had the aim to fix it, but I've since gotten a better Beko washing machine that does fully work, which has not really gave me any purpose to fix this one. So anyways, on top of it I've got a reasonable sized chunk of the old Hotpoint WMA 34's top counterweight. I'm going to be putting it in there, and believe it or not, it does fit. I've already tried. I've also modified this machine beforehand. I've taken out both counterweights, the bottom one and the top one, and I've also put the original door seal on, as I wasn't going to let a brand new one go to waste. So yeah, let's get to it. There it is in there. I should probably also note I've hot-wired the motor directly, so that as soon as I plug it in, it spins straight up to the maximum spin speed for a interesting destruction. So let's get to it. Whoa, that was really interesting. Didn't expect it to fall over like that. I'm going to get the machine upright. I know what happened. I know what caused it to die. I was inside the house and I plugged it in, and then I watched it dance about, and then it unplugged itself inside the house. But anyways, let's get this machine upright. I don't know if I stated it, I think I did in the intro, but I took out both concrete weights yesterday. Wow, nothing really seems to have happened. It's just quite dirty now. Yeah. Right then, let's plug it back in and try again. So I've just tried plugging it in to do a round 2, but nothing happened. So I'm assuming all these cables might have came off. Yeah. The neutral and earth have came out. So I'm going to plug them back in and try again. That was another amazing round. The drawer flew out, the bottom kicker plate came off. It fell on its side this time instead of on its face, and the PCB is coming off. The door seals came off, but that was kind of my fault because I lost the front retainer band. I've checked. All of the cables on the motor are still on, and I was once again in the house, so yeah, I saw it unplug itself once again, so I'm just going to plug it back in and try again. Once again, it tripped the electrics in the house. I've checked the cables again, and just like last time, the earth, that there, it came out again. So I'm going to plug it in with nothing inside it and see if it works. Hopefully it won't trip it again for the 3rd time, but it probably will, so yeah. Right then, so I'm back a few hours later with it hooked up to the speed controller over there. I've got the concrete weight back inside it, and I'm going to do what I did a few hours ago, where I turn it on inside the house and then it spins up. But instead, I've got the speed controller set only to about halfway, so it won't be pumping as much volts into it at one go. I'm going to go plug it in at the wall inside the house, and let's see if we will get some more dancing action.
I'm a Weet-Bix kid.